Sanibonani nonke. Mina uPhumla wakaMavundla, uyisine manager yase MTN for marketing. Silapha e-workshop namhlanje sizo activator usuku olukhulu igcwalisa Spring Festival. Izobe yenza ngomhla ka-8 November 2025 eHollywoodBet Kings Park Stadium. Silapha sizojabulisa abantu baseThekwini e-workshop, silethe ama-artist ukuze ba-enjoy music weMaskandi. uMaskandi siwuthanda kakhulu njengo-MTN, kuwumusic othandwa kakhulu futhi e-KZN, ngakho siyawuxhasa. Umsebenzi wethu njenge-MTN akusiwo kuphela ukuthi si-connect abantu nge-network yethu ngama-phone calls, nge-network nange-data, ukuthi si-connect futhi abantu ngezinto abayithanda kakhulu njengomusic. Sibona kufanele ukuthi sibaxhase abantu, sixhase nama-musician athandwayo kakhulu. Hayi, bakhona bagcwele, sinabasebenzi nje ubabona la ngemuva base-MTN, baphusha i-mobile money, i-MoMo yaka-MTN. Mu-downloada i-app yethu uyakwazi ukuthi uyisebenzisele njengoba usukuthenga i-electricity, ufuna ukuthenga i-airtime, ufuna ukuthenga ama-vouchers, kukhona konke lapho ngaphakathi. Bese futhi uma ufuna i-funeral cover, sinayo i-funeral cover yaseMoMo. Abantu abakhona la baya-downloada, benza i-transaction ethile, bese-ke sinamathikithi esizowakhipha ukuze bakwazi ukuthi ba-attend i-event next week Saturday, igcwalisa Spring Picnic Maskandi Festival. Niyosithola khona, nathi siyobe sikhona lapho si-activator. Wozani nizosibingelela, nisijoyine. MTN is everywhere you go. Ama-events izinto ey'thinta umphakathi. Uma sisebenza nomphakathi, akusikona nje ukuthi si-provide i-access to i-network so that abantu bakwazi ukuthi bathole access to information and education, but it's also about engaging abantu ukuze bakwazi ukuthi bakwazi ukuxhumana nabantu ababathandayo, ukwazi ukwenza ama-video calls, ukwazi ukuthi futhi u-enjoy ukustreama umusic owuthandayo, usupporte wonke lama-artist owathandayo. So njengo-MTN sibona kufanele ukuthi sibe i-part yomphakathi esisebenza nawo. I-main event sithi fikani early ukuze nikwazi ukungena early, nifike nama-camp chairs enu nama-cooler box, nihlale phansi ni-enjoy umusic. Nazi futhi ukuthi kuzobe ku-safe, nazi ukuthi izobe ikhona i-MTN ikhave i-network yalapho. Sithi wozani nisibone ngomgqibelo mhla ka-8 November eHollywoodBet Kings Park Stadium.